Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring network and storage are ready so the update won't fail midstream. Once connected, open the Play Store app and tap your profile icon at top right. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you use for apps. If not, switch accounts now. You'll need the current app list visible, so choose Manage Apps and Device next. This initial check reduces errors and prepares the store to fetch the latest package information immediately. Once done, tap Manage Apps and Device and then Updates Available to reveal pending app updates. You can hit Update All to apply everything, or pick individual apps to conserve data. Choose Update to start. If you need to update the Play Store itself, tap the Play Store entry, then the three-dot menu and select Update if visible, or open Settings, right arrow about to check Play Store version, and request Play Store system updates. Make sure download's complete before closing the app to avoid corruption. To finish, confirm each app shows open or updated in Play Store and restart your device if apps request it. If an update stalls, clear cache first. Settings right arrow apps, right arrow Google Play Store, right arrow storage, right arrow clear cache, then retry. If that fails, clear data or remove and re-add your Google account, but be aware this forces resync. Finally, ensure background data and battery optimization aren't blocking Play Store.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.